the reality of it is, as it becomes to RAI activities, the work is really never done. The industry is evolving and changing on a daily, hourly, minute basis. And as it evolves and changes, we have to be able to evolve and change with it. But one of the things that I would say is fundamental, and Paul alluded to it earlier, is just really making sure that there's a connection point between the company's corporate values and the principles and policies that are connected. And so a part of the activities when it comes to governance committees and working groups is managing your external engagement. What I mean by that, participating in forums like Evident. BNY Mellon also participated in the Veritas Consortium as part of the Monetary Authority of Singapore, helping to define the FEAT principles: fairness, ethical, accountable, transparent. Making sure that you're engaged externally as well as internally. And when internally, there's really going to be two prongs of this. And Colin and Alexandra, you both kind of mentioned this in the report. There's the prongs of people that are data scientists and the folks that are actively engaged in creating models. There's the engineers that develop and manage and monitor the technology. But then there's also the business folks that are using things like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, that are starting to learn and evolve in the world of AI. And at those two facets, and Paul mentioned this before, there has to be someone that can kind of bridge that middle, that is able to translate to the business the capabilities. And so the internal activities, the governance, the working groups, all has to be cross-functional. It has to understand the expected outcome, the value, and the benefit. And that, as a company, is going to continue to change over time. At BNY, we have our core principles. You go up to any employee in the company, they'll be able to tell you what those are, right? Be more for our clients, run our company better, empower our culture. We focus everything that we do across our committees, whether it's AI or otherwise, on those things. And when it comes to things like the working groups specific to a particular initiative, we ensure that they're aligned with the resources and people and talent that know and understand the capability that's being created. So whether it's, analyzing market data and giving market insights to our traders, we make sure that there's a business person that has a seat at the table with those working groups. And as I said, the core fundamental message of the question is really that the work is never done, but it's about making sure that you have the right stakeholders at the table to consistently evaluate not only the industry expectations, the regulatory expectations, the legal expectations, as well as how it aligns to your company value and direction.